Okay, boys, today in science, we are going to start our lesson 2. The name of our lesson is How Toys Work. How Toys Work. How do these toys work? So, before ta- discussing that how the toys are work, we are going to know that what are the forces that makes the movement. Okay, what are the forces that we use to make these toys work? So our words, vocabulary words are push and pull. Push and pull. We have written the definition of push and pull in the previous classes. Push. When we try to move something away from us, it is called push. What is push, boys? When we try to move something away from us, it is called push. When we try to move something towards us, it is called pull. Push and pull. Again, I will repeat. Focus, please. We have two forces. What is push and pull? They are forces. What is push and pull, boys? They are forces. Push and pull. What is push? Try to move something away from you is called push. Try to move something. When we try to move something away from us, it is called push. When we try to move something towards us, it is called pull. Understood? These are the definition of push and pull. Okay, for example, when we are opening the door, what is the force that we are going to apply on the door? When we open the door, we use pull force. We use pull force because we are pulling the door towards us. So when we open the door, it is called pull. When we close the door, it is called push. Understood? Okay. When we open the drawer, when we open the drawer, what is the force that we apply? We apply pull force. When we want to open the door or a drawer, which force do we apply? We use pull force, because when we want to move something towards us, we use pull force. When we want to close something, we want to close the door, we want to close the drawer, we use push force. We use push force because we want to push it away. We want to move something away from us. Understood? Understood, boys? Push and pull. Okay. Now, in the coming back to the lesson, here we have of four different kinds of toys. And the question is, how do these toys work? How do these toys work? First of all, here, this one. How do this toy work? What is the force we use on this toy? We use, when we want to move it towards us, we are going to use pull force. And when we want to move it away from us, we are going to use push. What we are going to do? We are going to use push force. Okay, the train. Here is a toy train. Which is the force that we apply on the toy train? On the train, we apply push force. What is the force that we apply on this? We apply push force. So right here, push. P-U-S-H. Push. We use push force. Here. Here, when we move this truck, we push it from back. So it is called also push force. P-U-S-H. Push. Okay. This one. Toy horse. What is the force that we apply on this toy horse? Who is going to tell me? You can write your answers in the chat section. What is the force that is applied on the toy horse? We use pull. We use pull force. Look, here is a thread that we pull to move this toy horse. Okay, when we are driving a bicycle, what do we do with the pedals of the bicycle? Do we push the pedals or do we pull the pedals? What do we do, boys? Yes, Albara, good. We push the pedals to move forward. What do? We push the pedals to move the cycle. So right here also it is push. Okay. Why do we use these forces? Because a push or a pull can make things move. What does push and pull do? They can move the things. They can make the things move. Push and pull. What they do? They make the things move. Push and pull. What they do, boys? They make the things move. They change the movement of this. So it moves the toy. Okay, let me revise first. What is a force? Force that is applied to move things are two forces that we use are push and pull. What are push and pull? Push and pull are forces. What are push and pull, boys? Push and pull are forces. Push and pull are forces. Okay. Push and pull can make things move. When we want to move something, what we are going to do, either we are going to apply a push force or we are going to apply a pull force. Okay. Which toy do you pull? Which toy do you pull, boys? The horse. You pull horse. Horse toy. Okay. Which toys do you push? Which toys do you push? So right here, train, bicycle, and truck. Okay. And truck. This is toy truck. So we push the toy truck.